Welcome to today's quick guide on how to turn off Google Photos Auto Backup. Google Photos is a fantastic tool for storing and organizing your precious memories, but sometimes, you might want to take control of when and what gets backed up. In this video, we'll show you the simple steps to disable the automatic backup feature in Google Photos, allowing you to manage your photos and videos on your terms. Whether you're running low on storage or just want more control, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in and learn how to turn off Google Photos Auto Backup. Thanks for watching. If you found this tech tutorial helpful, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Got questions or suggestions? Leave a comment below, and we'll get back to you.